One of the most exciting parts of this home builders movement is we encourage people to find a tool and change the world. And so they find a tool and they go, so how do I begin and how do I do this in my church? One of the most challenging things we've found for people is approaching their pastor. And so I want to talk a moment about how you do that. So you found this tool. One of the first things you realize is that you need an ally. You need someone to go with you. And so think of someone that might have your same heart for marriage or family. Someone else who wants to say, we've talked about moving forward as a church, but we need to kind of inspect what we're going to build upon or what we're going to add on to. And so with that person, the desire is, as you've found this ally, to begin to gather information. And by gathering information, then the two of you then together can approach the pastor.
And I think that if you can find that person who shares the same passion with you, and especially if you can find someone who's part of the church leadership team who shares that passion, then it's going to move forward easier. But then they need information. And that's where Family Life has developed a brochure. There's a website that they can go to. There's tools that they can get to give them the information that they need. And also they can call and actually talk to a coach. They're not committed to anything. It's not that they have to be part of signed up and ready to go at this point, but they can talk to a coach that can just give them a lot more information and explain the whole process to them.
And their coach will ask them some questions about their church, just to understand what type of church, of how things are done, of what the structure and systems of the church are in fact, so that we can help guide them of how best to approach the pastor and to have a great opportunity to be listened and to have the tool considered. And we hope for them to get together to make a decision on what the next step might be. When a pastor desires to approach his church leadership about using a tool like the Family Needs Survey as an assessment, or this home inspection as they look to build forward into their mission and purpose and vision as a church, there are a lot of different things that have to be considered than a layperson walking to the pastor. As he begins forward, he has to begin to think, is this the right time? He's been involved in all the conversations that have been going on, and he too has to bring in much more information. And again, this is where the brochure, the website, and the ability to contact a coach who is familiar with how church life works and in many cases has lived life within church, to be able to best guide him or her to guide that conversation with their leadership. Sometimes even a church taking the church leadership assessment together to consider and make the decision is a great avenue to do this. I've personally found these to be some great church leadership meetings, some of the most lively that they've had in years. But one of the other things that happens is that the pastor needs to communicate that if we move forward without doing an inspection of where we're at, we might be trying to build on something that we need to deal with right now. And so it becomes a part of the pastor's leadership to talk about the current state of the church and involve that conversation as appropriate. Another aspect is we need to be good stewards of the time, talents, and treasure God's entrusted us with. Life has changed in church. We can't do things in the fashion that we've faced before, and families are facing greater problems than we've ever experienced in America in our lifetimes. And so to face new challenges together, it's important that the pastor and the church leadership are united in the decision to inspect before we build, more importantly, to work together and work as a team for whatever the church decides as the next steps. Approaching it in unity and trusting God for what God provides is so important.